This is a video about how to operate a JLG T350 bucket lift. First and foremost, you got a kill switch here. You need to make sure that's pulled out, okay? And first thing we have to do is set our outriggers down. So our key switch is down to operate from the base. We're gonna hold our safety lever and push our outrigger lever so they come down. We should get green lights on the control panel when they're all in place. Now we got 4 blinking lights here. Now you can see they're solid lights. That means the unit is level and ready to use. From there, we can control the entire boom from the ground if necessary. You've got a boom lift lever here, a boom swing lever here, telescoping lever here, and a jib tilt here, all of which can only operate if you have the safety button pulled to the right. We'll start with the boom lift. Also note the swing, left and right. Telescoping, and the jib tilt. Those are all your controls from the base. Safety kill here if needed. Nothing works. So I'm going to show you how the bucket controls work. We pulled the joystick down off of the basket so we can show you down here a little easier. Again, make sure your safety kill switch is out, your lights are on. Your joystick with the selector in the middle position does your up and down, as well as your left and right. If you need to tilt the jib, you actually have to hold your selector to the left and use the joystick to tilt. And to extend the boom, flip your joystick lever to the right, your selector lever, and the joystick will let you go in and out from there. Now we'll set it back down. Hit the kill switch. That's how you operate a 35-foot JLG bucket lift.
Northside Tool Rental. Get it right the first time.